In this video, we're going to build a simple motion alarm system using Arduino, a PIR motion sensor, and the buzzer. By the end, you will see how the circuit can detect motion and alert us instantly. Now, let's have a component overview. Let's look at the component we need. First, we have the Arduino Uno, which you can search from the basic components and drag down here. Next, we have a PIR sensor which detects motion by sensing infrared radiation from humans or animal. When it detects movement, it sends a signal to the audio. Then we have a buzzer. This is our alarm. When the Arduino gets the signal from the PIR sensor, it turns the buzzer on. Finally, we'll connect everything with some jumper wires. Now, let's see the circuit wiring. The PIR has three pins: signal, power, and ground. We'll connect the VCC to the 5V and the ground to the ground of the Arduino, and out, that is the signal pin, to the digital pin 7 of Arduino. Now let's wire the buzzer. Connect the positive leg to the digital pin 8 and the negative leg to the ground. That's it. Our circuit is simple. The PIR sensor acts as the input and the buzzer is the output. Now let's move on to the code. First, we'll define the pins. The PIR sensor pins is connected to the digital pin 7 and the buzzer is connected to the pin 8. In this function, we'll tell that Arduino, the PIR is the input and the buzzer is the output. That's why I have used the setup pin mode PIR pin input and pin mode buzzer as output. Then inside the loop, we have the PIR sensor reading, which we can read using digital read. If motion is detected, the PIR output is high and we turn the buzzer on. Else, we turn the buzzer off if no motion is detected. The PIR output is low, that's why we turn the buzzer off. We also print a message to the serial monitor so we can see what's happening, like motion detected when it is detected and no motion elsewise. Now let's run the simulation in Tinkercad. So you just can give the start simulation. Now you can see that our simulation is running. I'll open the PIR sensor setting and toggle the motion to detect option. You can see it. Like I'm just toggling the motion, you can see the buzzer is turned on and you can also hear the sound. When there's no buzzer, when there's no motion, the buzzer turns off. We can also see the serial monitor which displays the output here. When I toggle, motion is detected. When I stop, no motion. So today we built a simple motion detection system alarm using Arduino, a PIR sensor and a buzzer. This kind of project is the starting point for many home security system and IoT application. You could expand this by adding lights, notification, or even connecting it to the internet. We can also stop simulation when we are done with the simulation program. So I'll just give you a quick overview. For this simulation, you need three components: a Arduino board, a PIR sensor, and a buzzer. You have to connect the signal to the digital pin 7 and ground to the ground and power to the 5 volts. Next, the positive to the digital pin 8 and the negative to the ground. So this is how an alarm using Arduino, a PIR sensor and a buzzer works. This is a simple motion detection. Thank you for watching the video.